The building kit system has various fastening options. Just to name a few examples, we have the classic Fastener D30. This is used in 80% of applications. We have one with external clamping technology or the Fastener D30 internal, so that you stay within the cross-section or diameter of the profile tube, in other words an external diameter of 30 millimeters. Then we also have a parallel fastener and a transverse fastener. The name says it all, to connect profiles in parallel and crosswise. For example, we also have a fastener D30 45 degrees to produce corresponding 45 degrees diagonals. If you need a free angle, we also have the ball joint fastener D30. This allows you to realize any number of degrees. And to connect our profile tube D30 to a classic MB frame, in other words the rectangular profile, with a groove 8, we also have the end connector 8D30.